Hi guys, this is lesson 3 of building an ePortfolio. Um, the first week that we worked on this, lesson 1, we built our website and started laying the groundwork in designing what our website will look like. We wrote a bio, stuff like that. Lesson 2, we worked really behind the scenes on Google Drive so that we could essentially have a file cabinet where we could put all of the work that we do in class that is, computerized. Um, and it'll eventually be able to show up through the work that we're going to do today on your ePortfolio. So it's going to be really awesome. It seems really complicated just talking about it, but it's super easy. So let's jump into it. First thing you obviously have to do, head over to Google Drive. I'm here. Here's my website. Go ahead and open that. I have it opened in another tab already. There we go. What I need to do today is I'm going to just be adding pages. So over here on the top right, you can see that I have insert, pages, and themes. We kind of already know what insert does. We've worked with themes. That's the design part. We did that week 1. Pages is where I'm at. So just like last week, I had language arts, math, science, social studies, art, and technology. I'm going to do the exact same ones with pages. So click plus, create new page, language, arts. Let's see how I do with my spelling today. Math, science, social studies, art, tricky one to spell, then technology. Unlike on Google Drive, it's not going to alphabetize them. It's just going to put them the same order as I made them. My computer's going a little bit slow in getting them there. So what I can do, if I'd like, I can alphabetize them. You can certainly reorder them. Let me show you how to do that. Let's let this technology page finish creating itself. 3, 2, there we go. So what I can do, I can just click these 3 dots. Nope, totally wrong. I can click just the text and I can put them. I wanted language arts, math, art, technology, and then I'm just going to switch science and social studies. Whatever order you want. If you want them alphabetized, that's fine, but you can put them however you'd like. Just keep the home page first, And those links, you might have noticed, have shown up top. So I'm currently on the technology page, but if I click language arts right here, it's going to take me to my language arts page. Next week, you might notice that every single page I go to has the same exact picture. It's got the laptop, the pen, the coffee. Next week, we're going to actually work to change each of those pages, but not this week. Don't get too ahead because then you'll be bored next week. Okay, so I'm on my language arts page. What I need to do is I need to add just the folder so that I can show off my work from Google Drive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click right here. That Pokeball shows up, and then the very bottom option, it's black. It says from Drive. I'm going to go into my Drive, and I'm going to select the language arts folder that I made for this. Remember, the sharing settings are very important. So I'm going to click Student ePortfolios. For me, it's kind of buried, which is fine. We're at lesson 3. And language arts tripped me up because it was alphabetized. Whoops. And you know what? I made a mistake. I actually need to go back to lesson 3, click language arts just one time, not 2 times, and click insert. That'll put the whole folder there, and then I'm going to use these blue dots to resize it. If it'll ever work. Come on. There we go. So let's get all the way to that line so that it looks centered and nice. And you might have seen, okay, now you see. So the documents that I had previously put into that folder, hello and read this, are there. Pretty easy. Viewers, you can click this. It's the preview button. Straight up, when I preview this, what I can do, double click on it, and look, my work, it just opened up in another tab. pretty awesome, pretty easy. For how cool this looks, not too much work. So on to math. We'll do the same thing. I'll maybe do this 2 or 3 more times. I'm not going to do it for all the tabs because it's pretty self-explanatory. My drive, and luckily oh, just kidding, it did not save my place. I thought it was going to. Nope, not the whole thing. Just click 2 times. Lesson 3, where are you? I've got it kind of buried somewhere, but you guys do not. So we're in math, so I'm going to click that 1 time. The folder that I actually want to put in, I'm going to click it 1 time and then click insert. Then, of course, resize. There we go. And then the work that I put in, it's there. Then I'm going to click science. Let's do science. Double click from drive. I'm in the science page, so I'm going to put that in. Look, did the same exact thing again. If you make the mistake that I did, that's okay. So right here, you can see kind of the thread of where things have gone. So I started at my drive, and then I went into student ePortfolios, then lesson 3. So I need to just click 1 step back. So I need to click lesson 3 and click science, insert. And then last of all, of course, resize. And there's that. Okay, as soon as I have finished all of this, I only did 3 pages, but as soon as you finish all 6 of those pages, go ahead and click publish. And you know what? I haven't published this site yet. This is just a copy. So I'm going to do coffee 3. Coffee 3. You won't have to do this. Just me. Publishing. So just like in lesson 1, click publish. Just like that. And then, nope, this one. Tricks me every time. Publish site link. I'm going to copy it. Copy link. Head back over to Google Classroom, where we began. And you're going to send me in a comment again the link to that website. Okay? Thanks, guys.